Alright guys, it is September 22nd. About 4:30 in the afternoon. Just got in here. Looking over these oak trees. There's some bedding area right over here. And all over here. And they got some good runs coming right here. Right here. And then right through here. My buddy Dylan shot one here 2 nights ago. Nice doe. And the deer didn't seem to bother him at all. They were right back in here last night and this morning. So hopefully we can get a nice doe to come back, or even better would be a buck, but we haven't seen any bucks recently on these cameras. We had one really nice one, but he hasn't been around in a couple weeks. Let's go, baby. That was awesome. It is, they came in about 30 minutes before dark. Oh, I'm still shaking. That's the first, self-filmed deer I've ever got. Number 2 for this year. Jeez, I can hardly breathe. Nice doe. Like, I mean, the arrow, you can see the loom knock. It's like maybe 10 yards. And put the old G5 dead meat right in the sweet spot. I just watched the footage over. Looks like a double hung for sure. I'm pretty sure I heard a crash, like 5 seconds. She took off running back into that bedding. And I'm like positive I heard her crash. But, wow, shaking. Fucking right. Doe number 2 down for the year. And it's actually funny, she came in, she was over here, you'll see in the video, she was feeding on acorns. I noticed her and she fed down and around and was like right here. And I was videoing her and all of a sudden she like ran out to the opening. And I was like, oh shit. So I moved the camera and quickly grabbed my release and I was able to draw. But as I drew, there's this pine branch right here that I didn't think was going to be in the way, but I had to kind of duck. And actually, I think you guys should be able to see that on the GoPro. That's awesome. I'm fired up. Let's go. Southern Maine, expanded archery season, second doe for the year. But, alright guys, I'm going to pack my stuff up and slowly climb down. My buddy Dylan's coming over to help. And hopefully it won't be much of a track job. I'm just kind of sitting in the stand, taking in the moment. Alright, well, I'm going to climb down and we'll see you guys at the ground. Under the pine.
Dude, the text sent 1 minute apart. I'm like, how the fuck is that?
Oh, God. Oh.
Dude, she's a done.
That thing is painted.
That is painted.
Yeah, that thing is covered.
Yeah, that's crazy. That was
Well, we can leave that right there for now, I guess.
a clean pasture for sure.
Blood. It's definitely not pouring. Oh, blood. She went that way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's where she took.
Look at the tree, bro. She's dead.
Oh my
Look at the tree.
God.
That's her
Dude.
exit side too, right?
Yeah.
Look at it all sprayed everywhere. You see her?
Dude, that's 6 feet up in the tree. We gotta take a video of that.
That's crazy.
Whatever.
Oh, she's right around here somewhere.
I'm almost positive I heard her crash. Like literally, she took off running, and then I just hear crash. Ow.
That's all
Oh, blood. There's a bunch of. I can't really see the blood, but I can see it. Oh, dude. I can see it like.
Look, dude, it's covering everything.
I can't really
You see it glistening?
Yeah.
That's so frustrating. Sometimes when you get a shiny leaf.
It's a bunch of blood. I see her. She's dead.
Got her?
Yep.
Wow. Wait.
Yeah, dude, she fucking hauled ass. She was moving though.
No.
Oh, dude. Look at that.
Nice. That's her opposing shoulder, right?
Yeah, that's the exit. Let's go.
Nice fucking shooting, dude.
Big girl.
Porker, dude.
Dude, she is a porker. How's that for an exit wound?
That's a hard.
Well, everybody, that was, how far did we go? 50, 60 yards?
50 or 60 yards.
The exit hole was perfect on that, but nice. Southern Maine, big old doe. Big old flat top. But yeah, that was pretty cool for a self-filmed kill. And now hopefully we can get on some antlered deer.